Hello there guys, and welcome to week number 2 of the Red Nose Day unboxings. Yes, so as I described the previous video, I found this box nice and early in Sainsbury's. So I actually went in there literally just to get a drink, and I got so distracted by this, I didn't actually get a drink because I immediately had to buy a full box. And I gotta say thank you to the Sainsbury's worker in there, I can't remember your name, who actually went out back and got me a sealed box. Anyway, week 2, you know the drill by now. We have 8 noses to collect this year, including the really rare one called Cam. Let's crack into this box. And now last time I did 5 from one row, and we got 4 of the same nose. So I'm going to go random this time. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll do one from the bottom row, 5. There we go. Let's seal the box back up. Sod it, we'll do it like that. Tilt it backwards, and we have our 5 boxes. But this time, we'll go from right to left. We did left to right last time. We'll do right to left. So, box number 1 for this week, box number 6 overall. Who do we have? We do not have Rocco. We have got Flo, the flamingo. Let me read her little stats. With those fabulous feathers and a flair for performing, Flo's ready to take to the stage. So there is Flo. We'll whack her there. The next one we'll do from the left-hand side. Box number 2 for this week. We have, I believe this is Lucky. Kind, brave, and totally rawsome. Lucky's the leader of this wild bunch. It would help as well if he was actually on camera. So yeah, there is Lucky. I am trying to do these in focus, but I am using a wide angle camera, so that's why the focus might be a little bit out. Box number 3. And yeah, these are so much easier to open up. We have got, seriously, Rocco. That's my 5th Rocco. Okay, whatever. Box number 4. Hopefully, though, I don't get any more Roccos. Box number 4, we have Lucky. Well, I'm not so lucky that I've got him twice. I think this might actually go the whole stretch. This might go the whole 8 weeks. And box number 5 of this week, box number 10 overall, we have got... we do have a different one. We have the giraffe. And this one is called Sky, because giraffes go up into the sky. Curious by nature, with a head for heights, Sky's great at watching over the group. There we have Sky the giraffe. So, week number 2, 5 more boxes. A bit more of variety. We almost went complete week without any duplicates in that one video. Of course, Rocco, that's now my 5th Rocco, and we did get lucky twice. But who will we get next time? Well, you're going to have to tune in and find out next week. Because yes, I'm doing these once a week because I quickly paused and asked my Google Assistant. And as of recording this on the 19th of January, there's 8 weeks and 2 days. So last video was uploaded the night I got these, and then obviously this video is uploaded on that same Friday, and then obviously go on forward. So yeah, I'll cut the video here, and we'll move on to next week. So again, thank you very much for watching, guys. If you have enjoyed, then hit that like button, get subscribed, ring the notification bell to be notified when the next video comes out. And yeah, I'll see you all next time. Peace out.